Oh, okay. This is Louie, not understanding personal space. He's so big. He's bigger than me. He weighs 71 pounds last time I weighed him. Aw. So he's worried about me. I just had surgery. So he's worried. Oh. I think we're going to settle down now. Okay, no licking, okay? This is my 71-pound pit bull thinking he's a lap dog. He's trying to get up here, and he doesn't understand why he can't fit. Let's both try to fit, Mom. We can both fit. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Just thought I'd share what it's like living with a 71-pound